You know, so me just finish what she calls them, just hang them out.
So we're gonna work, so sitting there. You look happy though. I like it here though, differently.
Alright, where you go eat?
But some things in the kitchen, man, just look about something. You know what I mean? Just anything one, just if you see on cabbage on there, cut up the cabbage. You know what I mean? And steam down some. One bread round and wheat bread is supposed to run them by last and come in. They just some 2 pieces must be there, so can make one sandwich.
Fire, no, so the oil finish?
Where's that?
The oil finish.
Where's that?
The oil finish.
Look if there's no butter in the man. Butter must in there.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna take this. Butter.
No, she found butter today, man. She found.
Oh! No, it finished too. Shit, man. It's alright.
What's that?
You know, so the butter finished too. Like we have to go do some shopping, man.
Give me a say no. No worry yourself, man. I go up and shop and come back. You know what I mean? You can boil a little tea.
Alright then. But I still have no doing now. You have to make fashion. Make fun that flat. Alright.
Where's the no oil over there?
You know, say some bleach in the having this some use, cause you know say
That's another.
yeah,
Let me see
it's
that.
white. It come like butter too, you know. Some just use it and fry it up.
How much you going near me? Yeah.
It smells good.
Where you come from with this blow? Yeah. You go up in the kitchen. Come and understand. Oh, you use claro. Oh, you call claro white or whatever. Bleaching fried egg.
It's something like butter, baby, can work.
No, it's not. Don't have a stove, right? What may I say now?
You see, I'm waste my energy, I know that's what the thing I'm preparing.
I fear do I know, but listen, that are you going to eat it again? So what me you my band from the kitchen. Because boy you use that cannot cook. Who get the idea there?
Right now you agree with me, because you just make me waste my time and prepare the thing and you throw it away. So part of me did live, my ex no make me do nothing. He prepare everything for me. Even though rub the breathing from my body, I him rub my back. So I don't really do nothing. Understand? So this just piss me off right now. I'll come out.
Where me I say now? Now get me not get upset, you know, but more I understand. So when they come, then tell me say I can wash, cook and clean. And for you come and me and wash. And we hang out the clothes them. Yeah. For now, me feel say you could actually cook then. So if you put car white in a fried egg, me don't want to talk more like that again. Now I do just toast the bread. Toast piece of bread for me, me drink some tea. You know, it's the egg. But me tell you the egg now because you don't have to fry it. Because butter comes still if you really want it to butter, me just buy this here. But hear me I say now, boil the egg then. Just put a pot of water and boil it. You know what I mean? And then you can eat it. Boil egg and eat it with something. But nobody fry no mind. You can't understand it. This is now just toast it. So one next frying pan there. Toast the bread for me. More for the will relax. You know what I mean? When
Okay,
you toast
sir.
you call me.
Okay, sir.
You toast with and some tea. That's because I'm going to work.
Alright.
How are you going in? How?
Freaking pot, it's something burn up.
No, my pan up in the kitchen.
I never pay attention, man, to that.
Come.
Man, you can't make me mess up again.
Come on.
Ah, God.
Come on, back kitchen. Look. Go on the fire truck. Now, watch out. Gotcha. Abang yours, eh? The first day they are like abang yours. You have to go learn to cook in our running. Only way go work, you go learn to cook. You see me show up for wash, and me getting out the clothes them, you go learn to cook. Go up on the internet, how do I learn how to cook? Okay, Google, how do I learn how to cook? They will tell. See the box in there. Okay, Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
Alright, just talk to Google. Google, come show you something. Come here. You see this here? You see that box here? It can. Okay, Google. Okay, Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
Anytime it's connected to the Wi-Fi, I'll put on the Wi-Fi panel. You ask it anything in our world. Okay, Google.
Hang on while I get connected to Wi-Fi.
Me not know Wi-Fi now, but me I tell you,
So we can ask how to cook too?
that to tell you how to cook. Because you do not doing a
You
good job.
never tell me before.
What is them trying to do them thing here? Because first them say can wash, cook and clean. But now, me have to go cook and clean and you wash instead of wash. I'm sure. But like I get up and move out of the place and go up and down this morning because I tell us today, you know, say I want some food because they're family now to cook. And yes, I get up and I cook enough food that means that yeah, 1 week I have cook. Or till I find one woman can come cook for me. Thing good man.
What you mean by say me nah cook? You always cook your own food, then it make me need your own dumpling.
But I told you that you need to start learning to cook. But first thing first, before we start there, you tell me say you can wash, cook and clean. And you watch me and me cook and clean instead of wash, cook and clean. But everything good enough. Today's the final day.
What you mean by final? What you want to say? I end this. So me if you just give my good and you just go down the drain so try know that I did before this and that's all me have to tell you.
So check me. So you're good. What about my long and strong? You never done nothing. And you don't give me something, I don't give you nothing. So that's why you against me now. So you me take look like that. Me tight here. More obligation.
No man, when man find
When-
that's on the steer.
When I get the police to move you out of here today, you tell me say, I did before this and I catch it. I tried my phone for record they said to me a while ago.
You better tap in eyes and hurry up and cook your food. Cause you cook the best soup, you know. Hurry up and make the soup. I go lie down till you're done. But you go. But take me out of this today and you can't take me out of this.
Wagwan.
Where is that one on us?
Yo, what can I tell me say the brownie we are giving? A war lad.
Me can't know that. Me only tell her she can wash, cook and clean, that's all.
Oh, you know she can wash, cook and clean. First she come a yard, she know wash, cook and clean all now. She watch me and me wash, cook and clean. Me have to do everything I yard right now. And on top of that, a station every day we have to war. And she has to eat because she eat no food. When you cook the food, so she's stronger than me. On top of that.
How much lie you tell, man?
So right now, we just cook some food and she over there lay down in the bed. And that's what I shout to them.
Nobody dash her out. All the day get somebody put her out. Me remember if you tell her say it's a war lad. Me say she beat her man till all the man can't walk. And we cheer the man in her. You're lucky, so just give thanks to life.
And where she come from, me I kick her and send her back straight to there. Right now. You hear about it? We soon forward.
You're going to change, no? Remember, I better you come back here. I want you. All right, Rasta, go on.
Now it's time to start. Come.
What's yours?
Time for you go, man. You think you could untie me? See man there by me, ah? Time for you go. Can't hold me. Come out, come. Come out of my house, man.
Yo, we say up people me up and say war and over here and say yes, Rasta learning karate. But look how the man done so man.
When we think about now, I got a doctor, go check out. So officer girl give me pain, no know why he don't cut me. If I fingernail, cut me up so. But I tell her, it's the next time, no man find you that. No man find, I look out for myself.
No, you can't see that man. We tell us if you get somebody take her out, you tell me what you're going to learn Kung Fu. So what you going to do now?
Right now, I'm going to call the police. If them can't help me, we have a plan. We have a plan. Hello? You are now, calling them yard right now. Because since you just in your force, you must have carry gun. Yeah. And nobody then have no gun for them now, but carry a gun come cousin. Yeah, we have a case here, solved right now.
Because I want to see how you look, so.
I tell you to me know. You were handcuffed there.
You know, some in a car, because me need a hurry. You gonna have everything left.
More you lock up the youth, that me want if you lock him up. If you have 2 handcuffs, you try to carry.
Feel what you do?
Him give me a sexy brown girl. But the girl, a war lad, you know, tell me that. If she can't cook and she can't wash and them sitting there. But you tell me she can't wash one, but you tell me say, a war lad. Look at your girl, look here.
Honestly, you know, cousin. Me and your cousin, but the honest truth. Me can't help you because I never tell you if you take up you can't manage. I feel your responsibility if you take care of your problem.
Amen. Amen to that.
Stop nice for me if you tell you. You should have know what you do.
Listen to me. My know you talk because you come back out of force fast.
But because me can't believe you really this you call me for. Me I work with the government now, you know. And you, this you call me for, you know, say anything we have to deal with the government come first. As I say government, so we run come. My government me, I say our government me I work for.
But tell us, a girl, look, this me and cut me up. What go on? Do something. Lock up him. Lock up she. Do something, man. When you still go to school, make a pass the subject, you can go get work in a police station.
Yeah, me appreciate that, but me I say me can't help you. Can't help.
And that answer to me.
But our government a pay me, you not pay me. You not pay me?
But when I send to school, man, what about them time them send to school?
Them the days
If it's different, me. Alright.
Yo, you think nobody can do this, sir? Right now, I'm going to apology to them. Nobody can do this, sir. What's that one? What are you? What's someone do one video for me, do? Yeah. We are go viral.
I want to find same video where I go viral when me and watch here watch. We are police. Roll up all our youth underneath a bed and him apologize to bro God.
Right now, I not do for me. I not apologize to no police. Right now, you see me serious. I do one video for me.
What you mean, man? Give me a phone now, man.
You ready now?
Ready right now.
Right now, bro, got after curfew, you know. I'm not going. You hear me? I tell you. That me I tell me not going. Right now, me there. Serve me there. You understand? You die the road there, so. You understand? I'm not going. That me I tell a party me I go right now. After curfew, me not care me.
I saw you deal with them. How you mean? Me like how you deal with them a while ago. You see me? Cause badness round the road, you know. We not go nowhere, you see me? For real, me general, me like how you do it, but now I just send it off, you know.
I will post me never tell me post right now. They might come for me now. Give me my phone.
Nobody take no call.
So what's that I want government call? Hello? What you say? Why next video go there in this Andrew again? Yo, cuz. In short and tall. Flat or slim. Back up. Yo, one of them. Yeah, me see me there in a boy house here.
Ready.
So the same person saying I'm in the doorway in it.
Look feet. Look feet.
See?
Boy!
Come on!
Get up! Stand up! Wear clothes. Put on the clothes.
No, sir.
Find the clothes. Let him go. Find the clothes. Fuck! Alright! Alright, turn. Put down the clothes. You can this bro God? Eh? You think you're bro God of size? Boy! Take that from him. That's the police.
Sorry, boss. Sorry.
Come!
Hurry up.
Officer, what you do a brutal murder?
Oh, tap it on.
Let go, man. Freedom of speech. Let go, man. I won't do. Yo, let go, man. Freedom of speech, officer. I won't go on. Let go, man. I saw on the go on, you know. Freedom of speech.
Picture back over my pork yard.
Freedom of speech.
Sit down here, sir. Get them.
Live up yourself, man.
You know who I am? Boy, you know who I am?
No, boss.
You know what you do? You don't know what you do, don't you? Eh? Look at the camera. Don't look for me. Looking at the camera.
Looking at the camera.
Boy, looking at the camera. You're Melody. Now, can't go back at the location when you're in there. I'm making apologize. Me humiliate him. Yeah? So since he says you don't want to apologize, so he really going to see you. You hear me tell you? You think so when I hear about Officer Red Boat are not normal? Eh? You think I'm not normal when I hear about Officer Red Boat? You don't know about me, don't you? Yeah, what I do, Shaka? Top breaker. Yeah? I think police business is...
So you don't carry back ghosts on the show?
You can't go to a party when they are going like him a girl. Yo, come on.
Get up. Get up, man. Take police. Think bro got a joke. Okay? Since you don't want to do the station, turn up. Turn up. Where phone? Be there. Say you're sorry. I'm sorry. Who you say? More if you say it just like how you did not say it, or you did disrespect him, more if you say it, apologize to him just like how you did not disrespect him. Look at that camera when you say it too. Say you're sorry. Bro God, I'm sorry. Say, I say you did not say it. More energy, man. Me not go in. Me sorry. Me sorry. Come. Say you're sorry. Boy, you think me a laugh video? You think me a laugh? You have video?
Yeah, man, you have video.
Say you're sorry. Bro God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro God. I'm sorry. I will never do it again. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Press up. Press up. Say move. Move. Say move. Move. Jump. Jump. Hey boy, if you ever disrespect me God again, kick it. Kick in your butt here. No, let me see up on the road.
I look so stressed, man.
So you look
I'm virgin that in the man.
You work it for you?
What is that?
You come back.
Yeah, man, don't worry about that. They come back, man. Just go and rub him down. Yo, me can't be still upon that, man. You have to come off of that, man.
Daddy, I know I'm not going to be there, Daddy. I just stay and wonder what to do next. Because I need a girl out of my house, Daddy.
Yeah.
Because
You don't understand where I try to cook now. Where I try to know.
when you show me the brown in the picture, and say she can cook and clean, they pay you cash.
Yeah, I mean, appreciate it.
But now, no pay you cash to get her out of my house. Because right now,
Oh, me?
get her out.
Go in there, sir? I find you, sir. You want me go in there? After this, I can't go, you're not so brave.
You want money? I'm money, you know.
Just
See.
no, you're talking.
Get out of my house, Daddy.
No, you're talking. You want to know how me I'm going to make you anything out? Easy and simple. You remember when your cousin come this and she get the card? It's like when bro got call and we go take up anybody off of the road, diss him. They move fast. So here what you going to do? You're going to prank call your cousin. And talk like a bro and I give me the phone. I'm going to send him in your yard.
You know the number?
I don't know your cousin number, what you have.
119 you old.
Private.
Or 911. Alright.
So,
119.
You alright, Scotty?
Yeah, man. Redwood Police Station, may I help you? Redwood Police Station, how may I help you?
this is Andrew speaking.
Anju,
Yes, the Prime Minister.
when I clocks him.
Give me phone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir.
So, let me ask you guys a question. What did I pay you guys to do?
To protect you, sir. Protect and serve you only, sir.
Tell me some more when I clocks him.
No, man. I talk to you, bro. God. Sit down. Sir. Come again, sir. Eh? What's the issue, sir? What's the issue, sir?
Listen, one girl is in the area there at room 68th Street, beating a Rasta man like a tiger. And she's sending check to me.
She called the name, sir?
Yeah, she mentioned
That's
my
not more,
name.
sir. Sir, that's not more, sir. That's not more. I'm going down there now, sir. I'm going down there now.
Get her
Right
out
now,
of-
sir.
Listen, get
Come
her
now.
out. I don't care where you want to put her. Right, so you see the girl that answered the phone? she need to stop going around and telling people about the government, only response for his business. Don't mention my business to people, because the people business is my business. My business is for government business. And if nothing wrong with them, I don't business. Listen, I have nothing wrong with them. I don't really business with them. I only business about myself.
Yes, yes, sir. I know you don't care about the people, them, sir. Yes, sir.
And you know, to show you the truth, I care, we care. I care, we care.
Because when you check it out, it's only people that buy chicken back give you problem.
Chicken back business.
So we need to buy the chicken back, sir?
No, the chicken back is good. We ship them here, they buy them.
All right, sir. Me I know here, sir. I know here. I know here, sir. Come. Get up. Come on.
Ivan, officer, Ivan.
Give it. If I ever catch you back in here, I'm shoot you. And nothing now come out tight. Yeah? Me not get in no trouble.
Yeah, it's a good thing because I broke out cousin this year. I make a link and show broke out call. You see it? My mama couldn't get things.
Anytime.
Yeah, my cousin see me help myself. I Virginia have to call broke out forget to make no come. You see, but everything good.
Alright, Rasta.
Bless up on yourself still. Brown in gone out of my life. Want a new girl now. Wonder if you come get a girl for me. If you get a girl for me, brown God, we get to one differently. One.
I need some beer.
Alright, so bro got some drink chocolate. Go get one girl for me. This time I don't want no girl too tall.
Hello? Why you look like that?
You know, say me and my man left. I mean, I know if you go.
Come in our vehicle.
If me didn't know it's so easy, we do that long time and get out of the place like this.
Anything mentioned in a bro God knew, it's done. Because they worship him like that.
Alright. Mom miss Brown in big body, but you can't get it then. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, miss that. You better use glad your life because look at it and you have shut up it up to next year.
What going officer? But what do you work fast?
Listen to me now. You say you want a girl. You know how we gonna get this one? I don't know if she can fight like that one, you know, but you probably can try her, and I don't know if this one is right either. I never hear she talk yet.
She pretty, so you can't. I say she pretty and nice, so you can't.
You don't want to have your cousin-in-law.
Yeah, a nice girl.
Alright, so let her go no man.
You tell her if you do,
Go up on the shop up so.
right? You know what
And tell them to go to some beer. The shop some, give them 2 beer. To go and
Give
drink.
me my ice cream.
Come call bro God. and bro God has said certain things, he's busy up and now he can't get to it, but don't pay for that, that's simple math. Get to beer for that, so you want ice cream, get a beer for yourself.
Alright? Best behavior. What you say?
Alright.
What did I say?
Best behavior.
Come again?
Best behavior.
You can count?
Yes, I can.
Count.
1, 2, 3.
Me and bro God not related. I'm a brethren, cousin, far, cousin. Got you, cousin. Got you. Yo, big up on yourself. Celebration, independence. Got you, independence. You know walk. You got on super. You're a nice girl though. You know, me never dream say me get a nice girl. We have a nice girl but she fighty. You know fight?
No, me not fight.
Alright, that's just right. So, how them find you?
You know, so I left a man.
You left for a man and they find you? Oh, that's one good idea. Because things happen at the right time for the right reason. So I've been single for a couple minutes a while ago and you come. So, give me a bag and put it down inside. This is everything up there?
Yeah, everything.
Alright. So.
Hold on there. My tablet, me have to go back to it.
Alright, go on feet and come.
Alright.
Where you go?
Me I go down a fire yard, it done, it over. Me can't do this no more. It done, me can't do it.
No, if you can be able to.
Me not have no way, me already move out and my tablet me come for. I go down there right now.
Let me call it, baby, we can't work something out.
I find a better man.
Oh God, they cannot leave me like that, baby.
But that not enough. Anyways, me I go down a fire right now.
So where I go, baby, just a left, so I'll work things out, you know.
Andrew. Yes, boss.
You can't find your 14 spirit.
No, boss. Pay 9 and 14 and 15.
Let me know them there, but I don't want them there. 14 no one. You can't find the socket. You can't write it hang on the 14 and the 14 can come. Come in this panel.
Yes, boss.
Come in this panel.
Dirty thief in Andrew.
Come here, call thief.
Who me attack? Let me come out of here. Stay there the walkway. Dirty thief in boy Andrew. You walk when me they talk to you. You see from when me give you my vehicle for fix. How much a month now from you give me back? You no put back all of this screw them in there. One two parts them. You're a criminal for a long time. A long time me hear about you. Boy, no say no. Hey, shut them out. Me want back me things them where you take out and me care. What then there? White son so chuckle and like a some old vehicle.
If you pay your money fully, you wouldn't chuckle.
You're a criminal. You a thief. A long time me hear about you. But you see, sometimes when you hear things, you say, you don't know if I true. No, me come to prove it. Me come carry me vehicle, come give you.
You call me thief. Wait.
Boy,
Listen,
dirty Andrew. You a thief. Me not afraid of camera. I will take off me. Look here, boy. Me clothes, you're bright now. Little thief in, boy. See there. Go look. Look funny. You make all of the screw them drop out from it, then eat this so. You change me tire. You is a thief. You still a video me? If you know how me not have nothing to do with you, all criminal, you can go call the police them. Me not afraid of them. Call them. I might have tell you where to go video where sun no shine. Mind me have to send a wish part. Look here, boy. Me want me things. Look here, you see police them where you go for? Mind I know, because I don't know up to you know. Me need me parts them.
How we are talking to, girl? How we are talking to?
Come on you, boy, you wear clocks. So when me things them the way you take out of my vehicle, boy, you in a green clocks. Boy, go call the police them. Me not afraid of police. You're all criminal for a long time you're tricky people them. Me not like you. Andrew is a thief. You thieving, Andrew, you go suffer. Karma go reach you. You see you make poor people suffer? You rob them and you want to rob me too? Hold on. You have to give me back my things where you thief out of me.
Skipper, remember to me Andrew always have the same name? Watch what they happen to her now.
But you know what happened?
What happened?
You know, if you go out with the same thing, I was going to go out with the same thing. See, catch up on you know. You put it, now put it the people in the same thing good.
Skipper, you don't understand. You think say piece of money can fix car? Sometimes you want car $1,000 come. More than that you have now. So maybe just put in our old school. I old school them pop off, man.
That's why you come to embarrass me right now.
No, I'm not embarrassing, man. You know
But you're not the people I'm saying, see that, you know, him talk to you yet, you know.
Listen, it's just like when you fix a phone and you want a man come back, you put something for chig off in it. After 2 months, it chip out.
But I want to check up on.
Scotty, look at one next video. Look at Scotty. One more video come out.
Sir.
You know, say this man is bro got Scotty.
What should I easy?
How we go feel now?
Kind of lock off engine. Switch off the engine for me. Switch off the engine. Take your hands off. Switch off the engine. Switch off the engine. Get out of the car. Get out. Come on. Come. Yeah, disrespect Andrew. Eh? Yeah, disrespect Andrew. You can't this, bro, God.
Yeah, this now.
How fear this Andrew? Eh? Yeah, Andrew size. Explain yourself. Stand up yourself. Stand up.
Officer, Andrew will walk at the garage me I talk about and I wish Andrew you attack.
You think of Andrew, you attack? Listen to me. You have to be careful with the word Andrew, you know. Because I just say
Officer
Andrew.
red boat.
I just say Andrew.
Bro God. So officer, fighting crime is no longer important. As somebody say Andrew, a problem.
Careful with the word Andrew.
Officer, man, me have it. And I have no right to put your hand on me.
Listen to me. Carry on. But careful with the word Andrew. Yeah?
I say one fire, a man in a yard moving and thing, living.
I mean, fire just left. I mean to see a long time man, the girl is the man. I was saying I go down the door. Now go down there.
But take back your man and get back me woman.
You see all them straying and them on them Bibles. No work. You have to come over, do your hours and go work in the yard.
So about the soup then, I tell about the soup. Anytime the soup then come around, the people them run up and down, I wonder why.
Soup. The man they can't, when they say the man they ask if you jump, just ask how high. You may tell you? Because the man they, them get the orders. As a matter of fact, you just get the order from the soup. Because the man they get the orders from Andrew. Anybody this Andrew if you lock them up. You could have hear Andrew. You're supposed to reach to feel them. You see me? You know about thief and criminal and this. A waste of time that. We get more money if we go for people with this Andrew. Anybody hear this Andrew one? Carry me in. If you don't have to carry me in, you plan some money. You see me I say? Anybody, you just want to know say, once you get some Andrew.
And you know say me here say anyhow you win again. Everybody in iPhone to get one clocks. You see all iPhone 13, 14, something like that. Fire, you're the best. Fire.
India sex. I'm gonna kill him.
Alright, like we're not getting no call now, just go on now, man, business. So if we can't get to sleep.
Alright, Hello, this is Ringo Redbrown Police Station. Hello, officer. Hello. How may I help you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, say, I'm just coming and I'm going to take my money. And please, me ask me if I can come back and give me back my money.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, I will need some information from you. I will need your address and your name, please.
What does that have to do with my money with anything?
Ma'am, I need to know your address so I can come. So tell me your address and your name.
Okay. Negril.
Alright, so Negril Bottom Row. What's your name? I didn't hear you.
Let me talk to you. Hello, Susie?
Hello.
Detective Red Boot here. We don't have any gas in our vehicle.
If I did Andrew, that's fine, just
You know, we have special treatment for Andrew. Where he's a king. He's a king.
What is prince? Which king?
He's a bro god.
So about me.
We don't value you.
We have blood run through your body like I have blood run through your body.
He's a special kind. He's a special kind. He's a bro god.
Yeah, Andrew goes up my big toe.
This sound done.
Just tell her to come to the station.
Come on, this is code red. We know if you're friend, yeah.
Shawty, look at man everybody work with that something there now. Come on, know how it tights up. You Shawty? How are you putting that? A crazy girl putting that? A girl a girl. You Shawty? How are you putting that? You good though?
Yeah, man, me just like how you take care of my body.
Babes are who that?
My ex-man.
Yeah, that the mad girl, yeah. My girl, the man don't want you.
Yo, me take a restraint order up on a girl already, you know. Come out of me out. Come out of that. Yo, how would that? Girl, come out. Where? See black? Hey. No, this is serious. Yo, Shawty, give me phone there. Give me phone there.
Babes, call the police. Me can't do this, I swear.
Yo, girls, go put down that something there. Me say go put it down. Mama, me left, mama, go put it down.
Hello? Red Boots Police Station.
Officer, you know, ex-girlfriend that me had right now, and he have a gun, and he have a knife. To hear me moving a new girl in the house, and now she want to kill me because of that.
Verify address for me, no?
Yeah, on the hillside me live, yeah. Third house. Yeah, kick off the door there after up and come down. What you say? No, on the White House, man. Yo, you know, no girl, me take Christian out all about fire attack, you know, man. Me just take Christian out that man over there. What mean say, you don't know? Yes, I be said one man. What time you come out here, man, when she beat me up, what?
So you know how much shot is in the gun?
Let me say, what kind of gun? Me don't know what kind of gun. I'm going to ask you what kind of gun. I'm going to bullet in that gun. Let me say, what kind of bullet? Hey, yeah, yo, no, don't jab, you know. When I laugh on the station for?
Okay, but I'm sorry we don't have any vehicle now, you know. We don't have any vehicle, no vehicle here. Vehicle.
Oh, you know not what? You know no vehicle. Oh, no, never no vehicle in an emergency yet. Yo.
Alright.
Yeah, everything well. That's me myself. Everything good. Charlie, come here, Jason. Turn up at the fence. If she kick off the door, turn up there. If she fire one shot, go down low. You hear me say? If she kick the door off, you still turn up and go down low if you fire the shot. But you have an idea. Do a video. Can you do the video them Andrew then find out quick? Yeah, Andrew. Me nah got nowhere. You could have look at the time. Early time I was mama. What am I right now? Dirty boy, dirty boy. Idiot. This a better. You can slow there, not slow there. Right there. Yo.
My girl, go on here, yeah. The man don't want you. What do you want? Go on here, yeah.
Yo. Look what going on social media. Somebody this broken again.
Send to my phone on.
Yo. I'm sharing.
Yes, Red Boot Police Station. Say what? Call Andrew. I'm coming. Call Andrew name. Yeah? You can't call my boss name. Yeah? Who's the Andrew? What's the Andrew? Sorry. What's the Andrew? Who's the Andrew? Yo, put it on.
Yo, officer.
You're under arrest for the illegal use of the word Andrew and for dissing Brogan.
So yo, hear me answer now? Yeah, daddy. Yo, me call now while ago. And me calling and telling them say my girlfriend ex-woman out at door, you know. Yo, police, and me just calling a while ago, you know. Only say no drive and no down there, you know. The forward, you know. And me tell my ex-girlfriend out at door with gun and kick off the door, you know. So if I wash it there, best not pass her with the gun and everything. So I kill her when she kill me then. Yes man, and me just calling a while ago, general. You understand me? I say? So if me never say Andrew name, uno come and make she get wet. You know what I mean? This have go up on CVM. And JBC,
sir,
and TVJ.
I'm unable to tell you that from the said word Andrew. It's my duty to find you anywhere he is, anywhere you are, and lock you up. I don't care about no gunman, no gunwoman, or nothing else. Just the word Andrew. Don't you dare use that word again.
Alright, tell Andrew, sorry boss. Tell Mr. Andrew, your boss said. I apologize for using name, but I only way to save my life because when you now come, if you hear say gunman there, but as me say Andrew, before me could answer all next, you kick off the door next. Everything good.
Jesus, please, but the man is easy, man. Watch what the man of this Andrew, man. Listen, slippers.
Oh, mama.
Come here, man. Look how the man of this Andrew. Yo, this is one case for you now, you know, boss. You go win, you know.
Yeah, man.
Man, this Andrew big time, man. Yo, my son, I mash up the case now, you know, boss. You feel this now, you know, hold on, Connie.
I go down. I go look see my friend, but I go down there now.
Yeah, man.
Thank you. Right, big case. Todos. Right about the film, Shakabe. I go down there to go drink 2 beer and go and split.
Alright.
$1,000. You thief $1,000 out of the bank, man.
I don't like them sitting there, man. If it come at $1,000.
I set me up, you know. Set me up.
I go down there, sir. Bun a spliff and drink 2 beer. Alright? Don't let him out of your eyesight, you know.
Yeah, man.
You me tell you?
Yeah.
Don't let him out. Cause Red Boot Police Station is no joke thing. We are not too much eat.
Sure.
Sit down. Tell me your name.
John Brown.
Right.
Officer. You know, see you look nice though.
Yeah, man, and I'm more than $1,000 my teeth, you know. Yeah, man, I'm more than $1,000. So you see, if you let me go, me can go find all the rest of money and carry on give you.
So how you know, say, they not go find out and lock up it away?
You can just make up one story and tell him, say, I get me get way. Just tell him, say, you're gonna go use the bathroom and left me and me get way.
That not sound bad still. Alright, hurry up and go on. So when Redwood come down, make you know, say you get way. Quadred. The prisoner get way now. Hurry up and come and get way.
You know the brother who did up on the video and bro where I course me I want lawyer, you see me need to get the case, me have to get the case. But you say around that's where him come from. Which part him there? Which part him live?
The brown youth. My bleach for him about 10.
Me don't know how long him a bleach for. Team brown do man.
And him can't read now right now, him dunce.
Sound like him dunce.
How him do?
Make a video man and diss up the Prime Minister so he might have to go in a court now and he won't need a lawyer.
Over the same.
Yeah man, alright, thank you. Hello? Morning sir.
Morning, sir.
My name Lawyer Slippers. Are you the brother with the on the video?
Yeah, man.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Ricky Brooks.
So you know, say, right now I'm here, your savior. Because I come to help you. You know, say, no matter they are court and them sitting there, going to need a lawyer my boss to defend. But where the phone with the video then?
You know, say, don't let it on the road.
Alright, we're going to deal with it, man. We're going to start out all of this. Come on, we're going to deal with it. Alright, sir. We're going to go down to the station and go find out who are really are going. Where there?
You know, say, I'm going to use the bathroom, I come back, I don't see me in Gateway.
We under pressure, you know.
But I fear fall. Because you know, say, I just come in there first and you left me boy, you going to drink rum. You know, say, I don't too understand about it.
Why? $1,000 is thief. Make it time. When I run him down for $1,000. Really thief for $100 million now. But I probably run him down. I run him a boy for $1,000. Not even taxi me and stuff.
Right, me I say $1,000 they carry me. And when there's $1,000, I'm face $100, you know.
But $1,000 is really $100 in Jamaica. You can't go shop with $1,000. By the time I go to spend by one juice, it done.
Not even can buy lunch.
Anybody I give me $1,000, I tell them if we go give offering with that.
Hey Redwood, now go over so I take a look at sleep in man, because I never sleep last night.
You sleep in your yard, man. Sleep in your yard.
Just 5 minutes, man. Just 5 minutes. For anything, you wake me up. Anything, wake me up.
Just make me do the talk, yeah? Morning, officer.
Why you step up in that place, man? Who are you?
My name is Lawyer Slippers. I'm going to bring my client here because no violate him rights. When we done with all down here, we build house out on. I understand it's a big case. I don't want to afraid and nervous. You see how them operate down here like it's a patty shop.
This is the police station, man. I think this is the courthouse. Eh? You can't come down. You have your work to do, and we have mine. And him disrespect Andrew, and it's my duty to bring him to justice.
What is this?
I want to go in this squaddy.
Now this little boy got him big brother say I'm a lawyer. Come in here trying to disrespect me and my job. Eh?
You make a big mistake because I record everything what you say. Make sure you take them regulation number and maybe note it. He hold on and losing no officer today. You, Mr. Red Boot, sir, come on.
Sad mistake. You think of them run things? And we run things. Make him go on, exalt himself.